Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Um, yep, this is the thing, and let me check if we're fine. Everything is fine. We will start from the weekly price action on bigger picture time frame, and then we'll be heading toward the shorter term time frame all the way to 1 minute time frame as well. Yeah, we have today's Monday. It's a new day weekly candle. New weekly candle we have opened around London time, around about like 1 a.m. something like that. I think so. Mm, and yeah, and today we have seen a quite bearish price action from the market. Not a very big move, but it has been more of like so far it is down, red candle, and we could anticipate that there are quite a bit of possibilities right now that may play out a bit messy chart right now from here. Um, let me see if we need this pink area right now. Oh, sorry. Let me see if we need this pink area or not. Hmm. So there are quite a new levels you have on charts right now. We don't need old levels, by the way. So yeah, let me see. Finish this one with. Close this one. I need. We need these two levels for now, and I'll explain to you like what we need. So we'll start with the monthly price action on bigger picture time frame, but I really wanted to be more of like on a shorter term time frame. And here, if this load and this is what it is I really wanted to do. Remain focused on 1 minute time frame while doing analysis on bigger picture time frame. So it will take some time. So now we will go to monthly time frame. Just a simple plain chart I wanted to go to understand certain levels on monthly time frame. If you watch out like that, this is more of like quite bullish price action going all the way to the upper side tab into this fair value gap, monthly fair value gap, gone all the way to the upper side, current fair value gap tab into this monthly fair value gap, spent 3 months in there, and then bouncing to going toward the upper side from here. Last month we have been bullish. Last month we knocked the previous all-time high, and this month we definitely would anticipate. As we are still bullish, we will anticipate or expect from the market to be bullish from here, try to knock previous all-time high and try to make another highs toward upper side. If you draw just a Fibonacci from here, a Fibonacci retracement from just from this previous high to low, uh, and I will go toward certain levels. If we do 1.5, 2.5, and we made it 3 as well. So initial the first possible target could be from the previous high to the previous low. It could be this one, 127k. This move could end up going all the way toward that range. If you go further, this is 2.5, 2 is around about this range, 145 or 150k as well. Market could go all the way toward upper side. This leg may end up going all the way toward upper side from here. Around about 127 is the least, 127k, and after that we have 150k and all the way to maybe 162 as well. So least target we are aiming for this leg should finish 127k from here. This is summer going on still. It's July. We have uh, June going on. Tomorrow we'll have a new week monthly candle. July, August, and September is more of like choppy. Next 2 months I would anticipate or expect from the market to go to 127k around about at least this range. And September, August, September, October, November, December, I will be more of like yeah, last quarter of the year as well. It's quite bullish as well on a Pacific. And this year you can anticipate 127k at least, or maybe 150k as well, all the way to what upper side. We'll see which way market could go from there. But we're bullish on monthly time frame. I'm anticipating that today will market will close on monthly time frame. If it completely fails to knock the previous all-time high this month, but next month I will anticipate market should open, go down a little bit. Maybe it could go to this monthly high, which is 1 or 2k, and then from here it should have to be bullish, try to knock all of those monthly highs and or previous all-time high as well. This is what it is. We would anticipate or expect from the market to do. on a bigger picture time frame, so it's just taking too much time, man. On monthly time frame, I quickly wanted to go to weekly time frame on a price action on a chart, how it is we are performing. This was a weekly fair value gap. Last couple of weeks we have seen that market come down to this weekly fair value gap. Last week we have seen quite a good bounce from the market. I was not expecting from the market to make a quite big move all the way to the upper side. And we have quite bullish candle we have formed last month, still tapped into this weekly a fair value gap. Definitely it would have been a great buy at this range. If you're bullish, would have been like definitely bullish and to look for the upper side. Now we have seen a quite bullish candle from the charts on this week, last week. This week I would anticipate or expect from the market could open, go down this gray area as a daily fair value gap, and this is last weekly high as well, around about at this range. Last weekly high is these highs as well, very close to each other. At this high I would say that definitely would be not possible, and then I would anticipate open go down a little bit. It could go down to this last weekly high, which is this high, and roundabout we have these highs as well in play. It's a range of 106k. It could go to 106k from here, and then I would anticipate from the market try to be bullish, knock those highs, try to knock previous all-time high as well, all the way to the upper side. So this is what it is. I would anticipate or expect from the market to perform on this weekly candle for the bullish case scenario. Today we can say that market has been gone down, which is good. Monday could be bearish, Tuesday could be bearish as well. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you should anticipate or expect from the market to aggressively bullish. Try to knock all of those highs from here to upper side. There's a quite possibilities right now. I am watching that may play it out as well. Maybe for bullish case scenario, today's low could be the low as well, because we have already tapped into this. I don't know. This chart is taking too much time, man. So yeah. So the market is trading. We have to keep in mind that market is trading inside this daily fair value gap, and we have seen that market has shown rejection from this range. This was monthly weekly high. I was this range. I wasn't anticipating aggressive price action from the market all the way toward low levels to these local lows, and I was anticipating all of those lows as well to this daily fair value gap. But we have seen that the market has shown rejection from this range, come back down, just go down, go up a little bit, and then it showed rejection from this fair value gap as well. This was this daily high as well, and then again continue to go down, just knock these local lows. It failed to knock all of those. It failed to knock all of those lows from here toward low levels, if you can say like that. It failed to knock all of those lows. Oh, sorry. It just knocked all of these lows. It failed to continue its momentum toward downward side from here. I was anticipating initially like we have all of those lows very close to each other. It should have to be aggressively going down from here. It could go down all the way to this daily fair value gap as well. But to this bounce toward upper side is a clear indication that market has to wipe all of market has knocked all of those lows, and it has bounced quite well all the way to the upper side from here. This is we have to keep in mind that this is a 50% of this daily fair value gap as well, this range. We have to keep this in mind. This may be the local bottom as well for the bullish case scenario. Maybe Monday's lows will be this one. Maybe this low could be the local bottom on a price action. Market may not come down to this low and could be aggressively bullish from here toward upper side. We have a reason as well to go toward upper side. These local highs. Oh, sorry. These local highs as well. And on a bigger picture time frame, we have the major highs as well, which is just I was just explaining to you. Uh, if you go to daily time frame, we have these previous all-time high as well. We have already a reason for the market to be bullish as well for all of those highs. This is what it is. I am anticipating or expecting from the market to it could perform like that. Yeah, for the bullish case scenario. Monday has been bearish so far. which is good. Monday low could be the local bottom, could be the weekly low as well. The way we have seen on 1 minute time frame, the market has shown aggressive price action toward upper side from here. There has been quite buying coming up at this range as well. While we was anticipating from the market to be aggressively bearish from here, but it bounced well toward upper side from here. Just at this range, I was like anticipating continuation toward upper side, but market show rejection from there. And I wanted to go to. So now we have to align everything with for the bullish case scenario. These are the possibilities. And for bearish case scenario, there are reasons as well for the market to be bearish possible. We will discuss that for now. We will discuss about the bearish case scenarios on charts now. We'll discuss about the bearish case. Bearish case scenario is we have this range market is trading right now. If we draw a fixed range profile, we're trading at the value area high of the range. And this has been range. Market is trading inside this range from the 8th of May up till now. So it's not 2 months, but it's approximately a little bit like a week left, maybe a week or yeah, a week left from this 2 months. The market has been trading inside this range. And this is the value we have the range market is trading at right now. There's a level of resistance already. It's a monthly high as well. And we have seen that market has shown rejection from this range a couple of times. It has been showing rejection from this range many times in here. Yesterday as well on Sunday, market show rejection from this range, come back down. Today as well, it went toward upper side. It should have to continue to be bullish from here. Why did not continue to be bullish from there? Again, it showed rejection from this range, come back down. Now we're trading and still inside this daily fair value gap. Why did not continue to be bullish from here? Why? Why did not continue to be bearish from here? Why? Because it was going down. Why it is getting bounced from here? So so maybe who knows? I don't know actually which way market could go from here, but we have to ask ourselves these kind of question every single time. For bullish case scenario, yeah, can say that why it has not continued to be bearish. It did not fail to go continue to be bearish. Could bounce from here to upper side. We have all of those highs, and we have bigger picture highs as well. From here, market should have to be bullish. Try to knock all of those highs. We can say that. There is no denying about that. We can say that there is no denying about that from the chart. For the bullish case scenario, yeah. Because why it is failed to go down, go to continuation to go downward side from here. For bearish case scenario, why market fail to continue to be bullish from here at this range? Why it come down in this range? It means it is possible that maybe this could be the high for bearish case scenario. Maybe this could be the low for the bullish case scenario. From here, market could be going that could be going aggressively toward upper side. We have all of those highs possible. From here, market could be going down from here toward low levels. This could be the local top possible as well. So yeah, for bearish case scenario, from here could be going down. Just go toward upper side again. Market show rejection from this range and then go down as well. Then go down as well. The only thing I knew that if it has to go down from here toward low levels, knock all of those lows, it should have to like create lows very close to each other, remain sideways, and then all of a sudden should roll down, or maybe just knock the local highs and then go down as well. These are the just two things right now I'm thinking about that may play it out right now. So the way if we have failed to go toward down, so okay, forgot about this one. For example, for now, forgot about this one. But just watch out this one. The way market has bounced toward up aside from the 50% of the daily fair value gap. So this is what it is I'm really thinking about right now, that we can anticipate or expect from the market to play it out. Okay, if you forgot about this one, this price action for like this. Okay, for example, market failed to go toward upper side from here because the reason could be because it's Monday. Now market has to be bearish for today and tomorrow maybe possible, and then after that we will see bullish price action from the market. It is possible. If you watch out this price action, I forgot about this one. The way it has bounced from here toward upper side. We have quite a bunch of highs as well on toward upper side. And let's see, I'm anticipating that this could be the local bottom. If you watch out on just this is more of like shorter term time, 5 minute time frame we are trading at. My mouse is a shit, man. I need to have a new cell. So the way it has bounced from here toward upper side. Let's see if continue to be bullish from here. If for at least this high, which is just I have highlighted, and this is the 4 hour time frame, a fairly gap high as well. And after that, at this range, I wanted to see continuation toward upper side from the market at this range for bullish case scenario. If this is the local bottom, I would say I want to see continuation toward upper side from if this is a local bottom. If, for example, at this range, market show rejection, slow down, very slow, very choppy price action, then we may anticipate a sideways price action or may could be down as well toward low levels. This is also possible. We cannot deny this from the charts as well. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how market will perform. Right now, if you watch out, it's 1 o'clock in the New York time going on. See, this is the afternoon session. Half past 12, afternoon session starts. So in this afternoon session, for the bullish case scenario, I'm anticipating this is the low. Market should not have to go below this low. Maybe after that, this could be the low possible because they maybe 15-minute time frame. Yeah, this is a 15-minute time frame gap as well. For 15-minute time frame gap, market tab into that. And I'm anticipating or expecting from the market to do what? So this is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Market has, oh shit, this mouse is pissing me off. So this is a 30-minute time frame. 30 minute we have nothing. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. We have on charts, and on 5 minute time frame we have this one fairly gap. We have this for 5 minute time frame gap as well. We have this 5 minute time frame gap. We don't need to highlight that for now. So we closed above 15-minute time frame gap. Now trying to go toward upper side from here, and 5 minute time frame. It's very important to, yeah, on 1 minute time frame things are very choppy right now. Things are quite choppy, but that's why it is very important to keep an eye on 5 minute time frame as well. How 5 minute time frame is doing right now, how 15-minute time frame doing right now. These are quite important levels. Yes, you remain on 1 minute time frame most of the time, but 5-15 is very important as well. And this is 15-minute time frame gap. We have all of those highs. I'm looking for the market in this afternoon session for the bullish case scenario. I'm anticipating that this should be the low. Market should not have to go below this low. Could come down to this 5-15-minute time frame gap. I would anticipate or expect from the market to hold this area and to do what? Come down to hold this area and try to be bullish from here. Try to knock all of those previous highs. This is how it is. So it's 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. It will be great. Market did not come down to these lows as well. If you watch out, let's see if market has a potential to give me a local bottom at this range, or just wicked into this fairly gap and try to be bullish from here. or it did not need to. If, for example, market invert this 1 minute time frame value gap, hold the area, we will be looking for the market to go to the upper side from that range. So this is how it is. Let's see. This is 1 minute time frame charts right now. Let's see if market not to go below this low. From here, try to invert this fair value gap and be bullish. If it knock this low, it will be likely it is coming to knock this low as well. And from this 15-minute time frame fair value gap, we will be bullish. Try look for the market to go to the upper side. So this is how it is. We're watching. It seems to me, yeah, it will. If it knock this low, it will knock those lows as well. Yeah, let's see. So this is how it is. We're watching. Let me do one thing I forgot, which is I really always forgot. Let me share this link to the my Twitter. And my mouse is I need to do something. So there are quite a bit of things I have to do. Oh man. Hope you learned something. Oh my goodness, I did not paste the link. So yeah. So while this chart is for me doing something, it's 1 o'clock. I really wanted to be in front of the charts 5 up till 5 a.m., which is 8 to 1 to 5 4 hours from 18 to 4 10 o'clock. We'll go to the sleep at 10 o'clock and then we'll wake up at 6 7 in the morning and we'll start our day with the positive vibes. Yeah, this will be my aim, and during this 4 hour, while reading the charts, while try to do some more stuff as well, which I really have to. It's about doing the things, guys. Like, it's about doing the things you have to do. Yeah. And I really have to achieve something this week. If I got to go, yeah, if I got to go to one girl, good. Yeah, one new girl this week. So yeah, I really quickly wanted to go into more of a like bigger picture time frame again to repeat everything, and then to understand our stance on this weekly price action for bullish and bearish case scenario, and if we have our all of our levels in play right now or not as well, which is also I wanted to do right now. So a quick recap. We'll be doing a quick recap. Oh my goodness, this mouse is. So yeah, the we don't need this one for now. What is happening? Yo. So we'll start with the weekly price section to understand some weekly levels as well. Maybe if we just in case if we should not miss any level, which is important, which could be important. That's why. So we still have these. We don't have this weekly high, by the way, in here. I don't know. So let me do this. Oh my god, my mouse is literally mad. I'm getting mad on my mouse. Need to change the cell, man. I don't know what this mouse is up to my life, man. So this is this weekly high. Oh shit. Where's gone? It's gone all the way to upside. So yeah, this is weekly high. We have highlighted. We tap into this weekly fair value gap, gone all the way toward upper side. Last week we closed bullish. This is last week high, which has been knocked. This is the prior to the last week high, 109k approximately, which has been not been knocked. We are anticipating the market for the bullish case scenario open, go down a little bit. This is daily fair value gap. It could be bullish from here. The today's low could be the low. From here, we are anticipating for the market to be bullish, try to knock all of those previous highs toward upper side. It is also possible that it could come down to this weekly high as well from this range, which is a low level of daily fair value gap as well. From this range as well, we'll be looking for the market to go toward upper side for bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario on a chart, it's possible that maybe market could keep this high, maybe market could keep this high as well. Market continue to be bearish from here, or possible that could go just a little bit toward upper side again, try to knock these two highs, left this high, great high at this range again, one more high. When everyone is bullish at this range, everyone will be bullish, everyone will be looking for new all-time high, and then the smart money send the price toward low levels as well, which is also possible. So these are the bearish case scenario, bullish case scenario on a charts. Right now on the weekly time frame, daily time frame, this is a value to have the range. We have seen rejection again today from this monthly high. Today we have knocked the previous high as well, going down. We knocked all of those local lows at this range today, these lows. So like such Sunday low and Saturday low as well. Friday low has not been knocked. For the downside per second, we still have after that these daily lows as well, this daily low and this daily low and this daily fair gap as well. Possible that if it closed below the 50% of the range today on daily this daily fair value gap, we will be looking for all of those lows to this daily fair value gap as well. So far it is holding this daily fair value gap nicely. This is a 50% of the daily fair value gap as well. Maybe today's low could be the local bottom, today's low could be the weekly low as well. We have seen bearish candle today. Next to maybe tomorrow as well could be bearish, but after that we may not go below this low. From here market could be bullish as well. Try to knock this high. This is the weekly high as well, and try to knock the previous all-time high as well. The same thing as well, it is possible that market could be bearish, bullish from here. This after knocking creating this low, we will anticipate or expect from the market from this range to be bullish aggressively. But if it show rejection from this range, because everyone will be bullish looking for the market to go to the upper side, it's possible that it could get local top at this range and could roll over. It is also possible as well. We cannot deny this. So far, we're trading at the 50% and upward level of this daily fair value gap, and this is the this daily high as well. So we have these two for Saturday and Friday highs as well, very close to those levels. We don't need to highlight that. We don't need to highlight these highs as well. And let's see how market will perform on today's person. How market will perform. It is spending quite a bit of time inside this fair value gap. For bearish case scenario, this low, and this fair value gap. Bullish case scenario from here going toward the upper side. Try to knock all of those highs as well. This is what it is we are looking for. Daily fair value gap is there on chart and a 4-hour time frame. I want to highlight this one on 4-hour time frame, just in case if we have any kind of level. That's why. So this is also a range market has been trading inside 4-hour time frame. We're trading close to the value high as well in here. And if you watch out, this is the 4-hour time frame value gap. This high is a 4-hour time value gap. This is also 4-hour time value gap as well. For bearish case scenario, maybe market has this is the high. Maybe market show rejection from this fair value gap as well, inverted from here going down, continue to be going down from here, or it is also possible could go to the other side, knock those highs, then go down. Possible this could be this previous 4-hour time frame low, could be the low as well. From here market will not go below, and then from here it could be knocking all of those highs to this 4-hour time frame, inverting this 4-hour time frame really gap, and be bullish as well all the way to the upper side. This is also possible. We cannot deny about that. It's very high point of control. We have seen bounce from the point of control. This is the value area low. We have seen bounce from the value area low of the range as well. These are the things on 4-hour time frame. This is the high. I would say that I wanted to do this one with him here, the trend line, and then we will have this is a 4-hour time frame fair value gap low as well. So I will put a green line on here, and we have this is a 4-hour time frame fair value gap high. Just I'm highlighting something here. This is a for value here after this range as well. This is a 4 out of fairly gap as well. So for bearish case scenario, maybe this could be the high. I would anticipate this 4 out of fairly gap should market have to keep open and go down. The weight has created this bottom, this candle low. For bullish case scenario, maybe this could be the local bottom. This low is today's low as well. Maybe today's low could be the bottom, local bottom, and then we have way too much highs on a shorter term time frame. That could be the reason for the market to be bullish all the way toward upper side as well. This is what it is. I'm watching and I have a concern on the way it has got the bounce from here. Technically speaking, at this point, market should have to continue its momentum toward downward side from here. The way it got the bounce, this was 50% of the daily fair value gap as well, and the way we have all of those highs. Yes, you can say that this is a fair route of fair value gap, but I would anticipate market inverting this level and try to be bullish as well toward low levels. If market remain inside this range from here, and yeah, if market show no intent to come down to below this low, maybe it is also possible that market continue to remain sideways at this range for whole of this afternoon session, maybe Asian session or London session as well. If it remains sideways, we will see for bearish case scenario continue to go down, bullish case scenario maybe going up then go down as well, maybe go down then go up as well, maybe from here go up as well. This is how it is. I am watching and observing the charts right now, and we go to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame we still have the same levels on charts. We knock those this low, bounce toward upper side. If it has to be bullish, it should have to show no intent to go down below this low. It will be great market did not go down below this low as well, which is 107, approximately 200. And from here it should have to bullish, try to knock all of those highs all the way toward upper side. This is how it is. I am watching and observing the charts right now and anticipating or expecting for the market to do right now. 30-minute time frame, we have this fairly gap, market show rejection, come down, bouncing. Right now it's trying to bounce toward upper side from here, and it is also possible that this is a local bottom. Market continue to be bullish as well, inverting this 4 atom fairly gap for all of those highs as well toward upper side, which is also possible. But it has to be continue to be bullish. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap low. This is low. It should not have to go below these lows. It could come down to this blue area, which is 15-minute time fairly gap. From this range, I will be looking for the market to go toward upper side. Try to knock all of those highs. Try to knock all of those highs from here. So that's how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts. This is how it is. I'm anticipating or expecting from the charts, and let's see how it could play out or not. 5-minute time frame fairly gap or trading gap, 5-minute time fairly gap as well. Just I am anticipating or let's see, like for bullish case scenario, this is a local bottom. Market should not go below this low. From here it should have to be bullish. Short knock all of those highs toward upper side. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. We are seeing rejection from this range, rejection from this range, could be coming back down to this range as well. Then from here we'll be bullish, looking for the market to go toward upper side. Let's see my stop loss, because it is trying to invert this fairly gap on 1 minute time frame. This is also a 1 minute time fairly gap as well. My stop loss I wanted to put at this low, and then from here bullish, try to knock all of those highs. And I'm very tired right now because during the weekend I did not sleep well, and yesterday I missed my 2 shifts, night shifts. Really, I don't know those people, man. These people are sucking my life. At my job, really, one day another shit, another day another shit. Always like that. Pissed off with them. So this is what I was just telling you. My surplus is there below this candle. I'm looking for this high and 107,900 as well. So it is this favorable gap. This is also favorable gap. It could tap into this favorable gap. It will be great if keeping this favorable gap open, and then this high I'm looking for 107,700 and 107,900. This will be my second TP. Not buying, just watching and observing. Just on 5 or 15-minute time frame, do you think market could be bullish from here? Yeah, you can say that. You can say that, yeah. Can say that this could be the blow. Let's see, we have 130 on a house. After 130, we will have a new 15-minute time frame candle as well. Initial 2 or 3 minutes, I wanted to see rejection, and after that, continuation for all of those highs. Because we will have a 30-minute time frame open as well. Not 1 hour, but 15 and 30. New candle. So let's just wait for the new candle to form. So this new candle is done. Now I wanted to see initial 2 or 3 minutes, a little bit of rejection, maybe 5 minutes as well to this fairly gap. It will be great if market give me a local bottom at this range. Then I may look to buy. If it has to knock this high, there should be some sort of attraction at this level that should pull the price like toward this level, and then market should have to tends to be bullish, tends to be going toward upper side from here. This is how it should do. This is quite slow and choppy cross section from the market. I will look at this pullback. This is a favorable gap I'm looking for. We have to keep in mind this is a 15-minute time from open, and we are anticipating it should not have to go below this low. 107, approximately 400. This low. This range I'm anticipating a local bottom for 17900. Let's see how this candle close. Oh my god, this one more thing. These days it's too hot, and then my room is at top like loft. For a whole day, sun is shining like crazy to my windows and all that, and even though my curtains are down, but still you have a heat coming up, and then there's no way for the heat to go down, go out. Even though the windows are open, but we still have our curtains, but heat is coming from like windows, the mirror, and it's too hot. Difficult to. It's not about the sun is too hot. It's about like temperature of the room is getting more rise because constant heat coming up from the sun, and that heat is not going out. That's why. And it's difficult to sit. I have this new fan, by the way. My sister says she's like it is like give you a cold air, but it is not giving me cold air. I don't know. I haven't feel like it's giving me a cold air up till now. I don't know if it feels like that. This mouse is a mad. Look at this. We have 5 minute time frame, 2 minutes left, which will be 140. And yeah, last 5 minutes on 15-minute time frame could be bullish. Let's see how. I wanted to see. Let's see if this is a local bottom, because at this range, not to go below this low, we are already anticipating this range a local bottom on our charts. Let's see this candle market chart to be bullish, because this is a fair value gap market has closed above. And if this is a local bottom, should not have to go below this low. This is the fair value gap. It will be great. Inverted fair value gap. It will be great. Market keep this 1 minute time frame fair value gap open, and then tends to be bullish from here. A stop loss will be below this low. If you think market really will go toward upper side from here, you can put your stop loss. You should not have to really spend much time at this range. This is what I'm looking for. So this is also a fair value gap market has created now, this candle. Let's see how this candle close. Let's see how this candle close, man. You can put your stop loss very tight. I'm buying in here. My stop loss is very tight. Initial stop loss is just there. We are aiming for 107,900 from here. I can. It's because my stop loss is quite tight. I can risk a real money into that as well. Stop loss should be 107,561.1. 107,561.1. We're losing just two. And we're looking for 107,900 from here. I'm risking 2 to gain 6. 107,900 will be our first target. We'll be going to 108, 108,200 as well. This is a this will be quite, this zone will be quite interesting zone to watch and observe. We'll see if we'll see. I don't know, like, but we'll see if market show rejection from this range, or then try to come down, or inverting this level for those highs as well. Maybe cannot deny this on bigger picture time frame. If you're trading with a big size, you have to keep buy at this point. You can keep this open. You can keep this trade a little bit open. So I'm risking 10 net here. I'll be taking most of my profit at this range. I'll put at break even, and then I will left. I will keep left this trade to be open for those highs, and we have bigger picture time frame highs as well in play, possible as well. I'll put my stop loss at to you can put your stop loss below this low now. 107,620. Stop loss should be now a break even. Should I have to close my position, or should I have to wait? Possible that market may left this high then go down as well. That's why keeping a stop loss now tight. We may close at break even. I would anticipate we should not. 107,623 my stop loss now. 623.5. I'll be losing just 1.1 if I lose this trade. think we may stopped out. Yeah, got stopped out. I don't know if we have to take profit at this range. This was daily high as well. This high has been knocked. Don't know, man. Considering that it's creating highs, going down, could be doing like that as well. Let's see, like just show rejection from this range, these lows, and this 15-minute time frame fairly gap we are looking for. Got stopped out on this trade. Uh, Lose a very small amount. Yeah, that I can afford to lose. I don't know. My position is closed now. How much we lose? 104. And how much we have now? 137. Yeah. So yeah, we have seen rejection from this range. We have seen many times on shorter term time frame. We have seen rejection from this daily high. It has keep credit fairly gap. Just tap into that. My stop loss, I wanted to keep it there and look for these lows to the 15-minute time frame fairly gap right now. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. These lows to this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Just looking for that. Not trading right now.
Okay, look, I'm gonna give you the first $2. Anything else you wanna buy, you gotta come out of pocket for it. I'm not buying back anything I already paid for. If you need it, you will. You'll see, it's a lot harder to deal with me when I don't have these things. Look who came back. What you about to get? Up the quarters? Let's see what she get. Oh, my baby.
Putting all my wife's time of the month necessities in event.
As most of you know, a month ago, my wife and I got chickens. And we just built them this pretty sweet coop. And we have had zero issues. That was until about a few days ago. This right here is Raccoonier West. And he's trying to eat my chickens. And nobody took my chickens. So Raccoonier West, you're gonna count your days. What is that?
Rotisserie chicken.
About a rotisserie chicken for the raccoon.
Well, they're trying to eat our chickens.
So yeah, look at this. Just I was telling you, the weight has shown rejection. Let's see if it try to knock all of those lows. We was bullish at this range. I was looking for all of those highs, but I was like, my stop loss is just there. We're looking for these two lows, around 600 to 400. We could have a break even. If I would have gone for short at this range, could have gained, and the amount that we have lost. But we did not trade after that. I didn't want to trade for now. I'm very cautious of my second trade on the charts. I'm very conscious on my first trade as well.
And I always get asked, what is the most important factor for gaining weight? It's a diet, 100%. However, I was always told I had to eat dry chicken and rice, portion 7 meals a day, and spend hours cooking and preparing meals in the kitchen. But that has all changed now. I'm eating almost double the amount of calories I started with, spending less than an hour cooking, eating genuinely tasty meals, and never feel super bloated either. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through my full day of eating on a 4,500 calorie diet. However, I'll also show you how to make this into a 4,000 or 3,500 calorie diet.
So this is how it is. I think so, guys. We should have to close this live stream. I'll be watching the charts maybe for next 2-3 hours, and then we'll see how it will perform. This rejection already shows that market did not wants to go toward upper side, and we'll see if this is a local bottom or not. We have a couple of highs, we have a couple of lows as well, but we'll see which way market would go from here. And we have quite a bit of news as well coming up this week. Tomorrow we have a Fed Powell speak. Market may remain choppy before this news. Maybe this our Asian session, London session, and wait for the news as well. And we have non-farm employment as well on Thursday, non-farm employment on Wednesday as well. Friday we don't have news. Saturday we don't have news as well. So we could anticipate a volatility on the charts on this week, and we'll see how the things will went off from here. So I've explained to you everything in this live stream. We talk about a bigger picture time frame, shorter term time frame, price action, and everything on charts. Let's see how the market will perform. Let's see if market will going toward upper side, down side. We don't know, and we're just watching and observing the charts. And yep, that's how it is. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning session in the New York time, and see you in the next one. Bye.